So I once again I heartily welcome all the student in lecture number 6 of networking basics. So in last lecture we have seen in last lecture we have seen about the how to transfer the data from client to server or server to client using socket class and server socket class, as well as we have seen in last part of the lecture the URL class and its method. Today we will see the next concept is a URL connection class. So we will see the constructor and methods required for URL connection class. So let's begin. So what is a URL connection class? The Java URL connection class represents a communication link between the URL and the applications. Okay, so it is used to establish the link for the communication between that URL. URL is nothing but uniform resource locator. We have seen in the last lecture what is a URL. Okay, so for example, www.msbt.org.in. This is one type of URL. Okay, okay, but in many times we are mentioning the protocol, that is HTTP, name of that host. Also, we are mentioning the port number, file number, etc. in that URL. Okay, so URL connection class, it represents communication link between the URL and the application. So this class can be used to read and write data to the specified resource referred by the URL. So this, using the URL connection class, we can read and write data to that URL, okay, or to that specified resource referred by that URL. Then we will see some constructor and methods, and then we will see the program of the URL connection class. Uh, so first is constructor is URL connection, URL. So it construct URL connection to the specified URL. It is used to construct a, or it is used to establish a connection, that is URL connection to the specified URL. Okay, then next, the methods of URL connection class. In last lecture we have seen the URL class. Now we are in URL connection class. The methods are, first is void connect, abstract void connect. uh, it opens communications link to the resource referenced by this URL. Okay, it opens communication link to the resource referenced by this URL. Okay, then next is URL get URL. By using this method, it returns the value of this URL connection URL field. Okay, then int get content length, it returns the value of the content length header field. Content means whatever the content are there. Okay, so the URL may be designed using the different languages. Okay, it may be HTML, JavaScript. Okay, so you can use different types of languages for the designing of that content. So int get content length, it returns the value of that length, content length, header field. Then string get content type. Get content type, it returns the value of the content type. तो कुठल्या टाईपचा कंटेंट आहे त्याची व्हॅल्यू ही रिटर्न करते गेट कंटेंट टाइम. नेक्स्ट long get date, it returns the value of the date header field. Okay, तर it will return the value of the date, get date. Then long get last modified, it returns the value of last modified header field, last modified. Okay, or it will return that value, or it will return that date get last modified. Then object get content, it retrieves the contents of this it object get content, it retrieves the content of this URL connection. Okay, so we will see some program or one example of this class. So in that we will use get content. Okay, so it retrieves all the contents of the URL connection. In permission get permission, it returns the permission object that contains the permission related attributes of invoking object. Next, input stream get input stream, and output stream get output stream. Okay, input stream get input stream, it returns the input stream object that reads from invoking object open connection. Okay, so it is used to read. And then output stream get output stream throws IO exception, it returns the output stream object that writes to invoking object open connection. Okay, so it is used to write, and get input stream it is used to read. Okay, so we will see in a program these are the some constructor and methods. So there are some there are only some important methods or some important constructor are there for every class, they are using frequently. It is not necessary or it is not required to use all the methods every time, but frequently some methods we have seen in also in a TCP IP server socket and socket class, there are number of methods are there. Okay, number of constructor are there, but we are using frequently using some typical or which are required most common constructor or common methods we are using in the program. So we will see some small program, okay, for this class, URL connection class. So in this first of all we will import the package which is required for networking, that is import java.net package. Then for reading and writing input and output, we are importing the package name is import java.io.star. Then the name of class is URL connection demo, public class URL connection demo, public static void main string args. The code is written in the try catch block. So here we are creating the object of URL as well as URL connection class. Okay, the URL, then after capital URL there is object of URL, small URL, new URL. URL is given is http colon double slash www.google.com double noted completed. So this is a type of URL. Then we are creating or we are establishing the connection with that URL. So we are using the class URL connection. URL connection con, it is object of URL connection. URL connection con is equal to URL dot open connection. URL dot open connection. Then by using this, we are establishing the communication to that URL with that application. Okay, so for connecting to that URL, we were using this method open connection by using the class object URL connection con. Then we are reading the content of that URL. For that input stream, you are using input stream. Okay, input stream object is st is equal to con dot get input stream. Okay, input stream object is st con is a object of URL connection. Okay, con dot get input stream. Okay, for reading we are using input stream. For writing we are using output stream. So we are here we are using input stream. So there are many methods are there, but we are using some important methods in this program, that is get input stream open connection. Okay, int I, while I is equal to st dot read. St dot read, st is our object of input stream, so it will read the data. St dot read not equal to -1 means it will read the content of that URL until the end of that file or end of that URL. Okay, so here it will print the content of that URL system.out.print char I. Okay, so we are reading this all content in I, but we are typecasting. Okay, by using this syntax char and I, whatever the contents are stored in the I, it will convert into the character type, so char. Okay, and this here we are catching the exception. Catch exception is system.out.println e. So just only remember that how we are establishing the connection to that URL. First we are creating URL. The name of URL is google.com by using class URL small URL. Then we are establishing the connection with that URL, that is by using the class URL connection, and object is con. And here we are using the object of URL dot open connection. Then we will read the content of that URL in by using the class input stream. Input stream st is equal to con dot get input stream. Okay, and until it is -1 we are reading from 0 to up to the end of that content of that URL by using read st dot read, and we are printing that every character. Okay, on this console or command prompt system.out character I. So we will print every character or each and every character of that file or URL. So when we are executing that file by command using javac URL connection demo.java, the command used for compiling is javac. For running java URL connection demo, so when we are executing, then it will read the source code of that URL www.google.com. ओके, तर बऱ्याच वेळेला बघा आपण गुगल ओपन केलं किंवा कुठलंही URL ओपन केली, बरोबर, आणि जर राईट क्लिक केलं आपण, जर राईट क्लिक करून व्ह्यू सोर्स म्हटलं, त्याला राईट क्लिक करून काय म्हटलं, एखाद्या पेजवर व्ह्यू सोर्स म्हटलं, तर तो ते जे पेज आहे ना, ते पेज डिझाईन करण्यासाठी जो काही कोड वापरलेला आहे, बरोबर आहे, तर तो आपल्याला दिसतो. बघा तुम्ही गुगल ओपन करा, कुठली MS विटी राईट क्लिक करा त्या साईटवर आणि ओपन किंवा व्ह्यू सोर्स म्हणायचं त्याला, त्याच्यावर राईट क्लिक करून मग त्या तो कोड जो आहे, ती वेबसाईट तयार करण्यासाठी जो काही कोड आहे, तर तो कोड सगळा तिथे दिसेल तुम्हाला. म्हणजे ते कशामध्ये तयार केलेलं आहे, त्याच्यानंतर कुठली लँग्वेज आहे, कधी मॉडिफाईड केलेले आहे, बरोबर आहे, ते डेट काय आहे, लास्ट मॉडिफाईड काय केलेलं आहे, सगळे तुम्हाला त्याचे डिटेल्स जे आहेत ते तुम्हाला तिथं दिसतील. ओके, तर इथं तेच एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे बघा. डॉक टाईप एच टी एम एल आयटम स्कोप, हा जो कोड आहे ना, हा पूर्ण सगळा इथे आपण डॉट 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 केलं बघा, स्लॅश बोर्ड स्लॅश एच, तर ते google.com चा जो काय कोड असणार आहे तो इथं सगळा काय झालेला असेल तुम्हाला रीड केलेला असेल त्या URLचा. लक्षात आलं काय? आणि हे काय केलं इथं रीड केलेलं आहे 1 by 1, जोपर्यंत -1 येत नाही तोपर्यंत. आणि हा तिथे काय झालेला, हा प्रिंट केलेला. ओके, बाय युझिंग गेट इनपुट स्ट्रीम. तर अशा पद्धतीनं हा कुठला क्लास आहे, URL कनेक्शन क्लास. फक्त आपण URL कनेक्शन म्हणजे आपण URL ला कनेक्ट कसं व्हायचं हे आपण बघितलेलं. लक्षात आलं काय बघा. आणि ह्या त्याच्या काही मेथड्स आहेत, त्याच्या थोड्याच मेथड आपण वापरलेल्या आहेत ज्या फ्रिक्वेंटली वापरतात. तर ह्याला काय म्हणतात आपण, ह्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत, URL कनेक्शन क्लास. ओके, तर for exam point of view, you can remember the names of method and what is the use of that method. Okay, and this is a sample program for the URL connection class, because there are number of programs are available in every book or on a website. Okay, so in each program they are not using all the methods. So in some programs some important methods are included in every program. So just this is for demo only, or this is for how it works. But remember these methods and constructor or the syntax for every class. So let's revise some logic or some things in every class. In each and every class from first chapter, there are some constructor and there are some methods. In each and every class there are some classes are present in AWT, in Swing, in this networking. So there are number of classes are present. For particular class, there is always there is a constructor, there are method, constructor methods. So you can, for study purpose, you can draw some, or you can write down all the constructor and methods. Okay, so for it is convenient for your study, so you can write down only the methods or constructor for the every class. Okay, or you can study these all PPTs. I will publish these PPTs on our Google Classroom. So for quick revision you can refer that PPTs. Okay, so so today we will stop here. uh,